Hello my dear students, today we are going to see trigonometry part 8, in which we will see how the sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec 60 degrees will form. Okay. Now for this what we have to do, we should take an equilateral triangle. We should take an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are equal to each other. A triangle in which all the three sides are equal to each other. Okay. Now let me take supposition. Okay, it is supposition 2a, 2a and 2a. So trigonometry we will do with the help of right angle triangle only. If you are taking this one, it will become 60 degrees. Okay. In equilateral triangle, all the angles will be equal to each other. All the angles will be equal to each other. 60 degrees. Okay. Now to make it right angle triangle, we will make a perpendicular. Name it A, B, C and D. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now if it is getting perpendicular, this will be the 30 degrees. Okay. Let me draw this very fair. Big one so that you can understand properly. A, B and C. 2A, 2A and this is also 2A. Now 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Okay. To make it right angle triangle, divide it. This one will be 30 degrees and this is also 30 degrees. Okay. Now how much it will be A? Because if you are drawing the perpendicular, it will be on the mid of BC and A is the angle of bisector. A will be the angle of bisector, which is dividing the angle A into two equal parts. Okay. Now B to D how much it is? BD is equals to CD is equals to A. Okay. BC is equals to AB is equals to AC is equals to how much? 2A. Angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to 60 degrees. Whereas in triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD, angle A is equals to 30 degrees, angle B is equals to 60 degrees and angle D is equals to 90 degrees. It is forming 90 degrees. Okay. Like that same in triangle ADC or ACD, angle A is equals to 30 degrees, angle C is equals to 60 degrees and angle D is equals to 90 degrees. When it is forming the perpendicular, it will form the 90 degrees on both the sides. Okay. Therefore, AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Now we will take one side of the triangle, that is triangle AB and D. Triangle ABD. Okay. Now if you see one of the side, it is right angled triangle. It is right angled triangle. It is right angled triangle. Okay. Right angled triangle. Okay. So in this one, right angle triangle, ABD, triangle ABD, right angled triangle. Okay. In triangle ABD, hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse is square. We are using the 60 degrees. Then if you are taking this angle, what is the opposite side? What is hypotenuse? AB square. Okay. What is opposite side? AD square. and adjacent is AD square. Now hypotenuse, how much it is given? 2A whole square is equals to AD is how much? Don't know. So AD square plus AD taken 2 times, no sorry, it is BD. Okay. BD square how much it is? A square. BD square is how much? A square, because A plus A how much it will be? 2A. So now 4A square is equals to AD square plus A square. Take this A towards this side. 4A square minus A square is equals to AD square. Now 3A square is equals to AD square. So AD square is equals to 3A square. Take the square towards the right hand side. AD is equals to under root 3A square. If I want to take out the root, AD is equals to root 3 into root A square. Square and root get cancelled. So AD is equals to root 3 into A. Root 3 into A. Now AD we got. How much it is? Root 3A. Root 3A. Okay. Now we will go for the finding out. Now tell me, what is opposite? What is the opposite here? Opposite. How much we got? Opposite root 3A, and adjacent is A, and hypotenuse is 2A. Hypotenuse is how much? 2A. Now we will go for the sine cos. Okay. Sine theta. Sine theta is equals to, what is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Now what is sine 60 degrees? Why should we take 60 degrees? We are going to find out 60 degrees only. What is opposite in this one? What is opposite? Root 3A, and hypotenuse is 2A. A cancel. Then root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now next, cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is cos 60 degrees? What is adjacent? How much we got adjacent here? A. By hypotenuse is how much? 2A. A get cancelled. Then it will be 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 2. Next cos. Next tan theta is equals to tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite how much we got? Root 3A, and adjacent how much it is? A. A get cancelled. Then tan 60 degrees. Okay. Then root 3. It is root 3. Next, after tan what it will be? After tan we will find out the, after tan it will be cot. Cot theta is equals to cot theta. COAO, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent side by opposite. Okay. Adjacent side by opposite. Now cot 60 degrees. Adjacent is how much? Adjacent A. Opposite is how much? Root 3A. A get cancelled. How much it is? Only root 3. Only root 3. Tan finish. Next we will go for the cosec theta. Cosec theta. COSEC. Cosec theta. Caso. COSHO. Hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse? 2A, and opposite is how much? Opposite side root 3A. A get cancelled. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Next, sec theta. Sec theta is equals to HA, hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is how much? Cosec 60 degrees. Sec 60 degrees. Hypotenuse is how much? 2A. By adjacent is how much? A. A get cancelled. How much it is? 2. How much it is? 2. Now, most of the student, now we got the all values. Okay. We got the values. Okay. Now what we have to do? I said you before that either you take this one or else you can use tan theta is equals to sin by cos. You can write that also. Cot theta is equals to cos by sin. Cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin. Sec theta is equals to 1 by cos. Okay. You can use that also, no problem. You will get this one, or if you write in this one or in that one, no problem. It will be equal. Okay. So remember, it should be equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides and all the angles will be equal to each other. Okay. 2a, 2a and 2a. This is supposition I have taken. Okay. Now after that, I am dividing this BC into two parts, okay, by taking the perpendicular AD as perpendicular on BC. If it is taking perpendicular, then angle A will divide into two equal parts, that is angle bisector. Okay, 60 degrees will divide into 30, 30. Okay. After that, finding out the third side. What is the third side? We don't know. If we divide this 2a into two parts, then it will be a plus a. A plus a, how much it will be? 2a. See, a plus a, it will be 2a. A into a, it will be a square. Most of the students, they will get confused and they will write the wrong one. Okay. So till now we have completed. One more. What the angle we are taking? Angle 60 degrees. So we should take the opposite of 60 degrees only. It will be the opposite side. Okay. Now we have completed 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and today 60 degrees. In the next video we will go for the 90 degrees. Okay. Up to 90 it is most important for the 10th class. It is most important for 10th class. In the higher classes you will go for the 180, 360. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.